यस। जी हाँ, वेलकम बैक टू MedPrep by Academically. An exclusive medical officer vacancy awaits for you from the National Institute of Technology, Patna. We all know IIT and NIT. These are two of the most esteemed, prestigious, renowned institutes, and serving as a medical officer in such a beautiful place is like a heaven. So, over here, you can see that it is a walk-in interview service for the post of the medical officer on the 14th of December. 14 दिसंबर को आपको जाना है सर. सैलरी 1 lakh rupees per month. Yes, you can earn an exclusive salary of 1 LPA, 1 lakh per month, 1 LPM, and that is 12 lakhs per year. एक साल में 12 लाख रुपए. तो आप 14 दिसंबर को 10 बजे मेडिकल ऑफिसर की वैकेंसी के लिए एनआईटी पटना के मेन बिल्डिंग में पहुंच जाइएगा. You have to reach the NIT Patna main building and the reporting time is 10 a.m. The date of walk-in interview is the 14th of December and the post is medical officer. So over here you can see that the medical officer is a contractual post. 3 posts are there, 1 for male and 2 are reserved for female. यानी कि 2 महिलाएं और 1 मेल. ये पोस्ट होगी. Consolidated payment of 80,000 to 1 lakh per month. ये consolidated पे है. कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पोस्ट है 1 ईयर के लिए, आगे एक्सटेंड भी की जा सकती है, बट फॉर 1 ईयर इट इज अ फिक्स्ड पोस्ट. यू शुड बी हैविंग अ एमबीबीएस डिग्री फ्रॉम द नेशनल मेडिकल काउंसिल, इंडियन मेडिकल रजिस्टर और द स्टेट मेडिकल काउंसिल एसएमसी और द इंडियन रजिस्टर एनीवेयर. डिजायरेबल if you have a MD, MS, MPH, DNB, any other degree like the postgraduate PGDM or general medicine, community medicine, PSM, anywhere if you have a postgraduate degree. So the above ones will be preferred. Of course, graduates also will be preferred. But if you have a postgraduate degree, it's the icing on the cake. Brownie points है आपके लिए अगर आपके पास एक degree है which is of postgraduate level. Absolutely. So over here, you have to apply this PDF's link and the PDF is attached in the description section. If you wish to see this PDF, definitely you can have a look at this PDF. And at Academically, at MedPrep, we bring latest government news, vacancies, opportunities and recruitments for you so that you get updated. Because तैयारी हम सब कर सकते हैं. Everybody can prepare. हर एक कोई एग्जाम क्रैक कर सकता है. Each one of us can crack an exam. But exam कब आके चली जाती है? When the exam notification comes and disappears. Because as doctors, as healthcare professionals, we know how busy our life is. OPD, handling patient, going to the hospital, doing a lot of surgery, laparoscopy, pediat, geriat, gynac, OBG, so many different departments dealing into such ortho, perics, and so many different departments we deal into. It's very difficult for us as the practitioner to get so much of information. So at Academically, in one video within less span of time, we try to bring exclusive opportunities for you. कम समय में आपको एलिजिबिलिटी, एप्लीकेशन, सैलरी सब पता चल जाए, कब भर सकते हैं, कब तक भर सकते हैं. सो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ इसी के साथ. डू शो सर शावर योर लव on Academically. Akram sir and this is Payam sir signing off. Thank you so much. Have a great future ahead, doctors and medicos.